All right, there's breaking news coming at the back of that. The JNU-SU has spoken out over the Kabar Khudegi chants, suggesting deliberate effort to mischaracterize a vigil, bid to deflect from real issues, organized attempt to defame JNU. We have a constitutional right to dissent. So once again, the university is where not the management but the students' body has said that this is a clear attempt to misrepresent what the students in JNU actually did, which was protest. It was a vigil, and there is a deliberate effort to mischaracterize what was sheer protest. They say that this is an organized attempt to defame JNU once again. The student body also says we have a constitutional right to dissent. Shreya Chatterjee is breaking this news on India Today. Shreya, what more can you add?
Well, Preeti, this is a statement that's officially now coming from JNU-SU, and we've been speaking to them since President. They very categorically say that yesterday's event was a vigil. It was to commemorate the anniversary of the attack that took place in JNU in 2020 on the 5th of January. And because the Supreme Court judgment had also come in against Umar Khalid and Sharjil Imam, so that was also discussed. So clearly in that very emotion, there were sloganeerings that did happen, which they did not really deflect from. That was agreed by all the members of the student union. But they say that these sloganeering cannot be looked at independently. It is about how they wanted to condemn an ideology, and they say that it's only a portion of the...
Shreya, one quick question before we let you go. Is there regret that maybe certain slogans which involve the Prime Minister should not have been raised?
That's actually been made.
Shreya, can you hear us? Shreya, can you hear us? We don't seem to have Shreya. Shreya, are you back with us? Okay, we're going to try and reconnect with my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who's breaking news. The student body has come out with an official statement saying that this is an attempt to completely turn the picture, a deliberate bid to mischaracterize what was pure ideological dissent into something far more